Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Google Nest Cam as well as the accessory Nest Cam weatherproof cable and adapter. Let's start with the cable because that will be the easiest. Again, this is just announced by Google a few weeks ago and coming out at least in the US within the next few days. So nope, just peel it off. Okay, so this is the cable that comes with the Nest Cam. It's for outdoors, so it's waterproof. So unboxing it gives a, what is this? This is a setup instruction, just a leaflet. This is a disclaimer, warranty guide. Here's the cable. Cable comes with, on the left, it has, what could this be? Oh, these are probably mounts. Tricky to get out. Okay. Just have to tear it, probably. Oh, yeah. It opens from the side. Okay, so these are clippers, it looks like, to clip the cable, cable management. So let me take this cable itself out. Wow, quite a long cable. As you can see, this is, not sure how long it is. How long is it in the box? 5 meters. 16 feet or 5 meters. Okay, so it's a long cable, so these things, presumably, if you want to install it on the outside of the house, then you would just put it in here, file this through, and then I'm going to guess now on this other box, these are screws, and yep, these are plastic screws, as well, they also give you some metal screws, so actually not plastic screws. These are to what do you call it? Fix to hold the screws in place. Okay, so that's the cable. Pretty standard. The connector, it's a proprietary connector, it looks like. So in a second, once I open the camera, we can test it out and can put it on the camera. Okay, so the main event now is the Nest Cam. This is the battery powered version. I believe there's also a wired version, and then it's indoor or outdoor. So okay, let's open it up. At the same time, I will probably need to use scissors to cut. Okay. Voila. The camera itself, beautifully shaped camera. It comes with is a magnetic adapter. It's actually very strong magnets attached. So you could put this oh yes, this is actually magnetic, so you can actually you find something metallic, you can attach it onto it, and this camera will go into it, and you can actually do it at any angle. So again, it's very strong magnet, so it won't fall out of any light wind or something like that. Okay. Okay, anyway, that's the camera. As you can see, the proprietary charging, this cable will go here, and it's something you would charge it. What else is in this box? There's other things here. Okay. So you have a let's get started guide. Very straightforward, and we also have a charger. I am guessing the charger. So this is the internal charger. The difference between this charger and the one we first unboxed is that this is USB powered, USB-A, not USB-C, and you can charge something internally at home, but it's not weatherproof, so you can't put this outside. Whereas this one's weatherproof, so you can attach it outside somewhere. What else is in this box? Oh, you have a little, guessing a clip that can clip. Yep. Clip the camera, to attach the camera to make the installation a little easier. So you can, yep. So it comes with, you see in the box here, 2 screws, and again, can't remember the name of it, but 2 things to hold it in place. So you put this on first, attach this, the camera. Presumably, you can just take it off to charge it, or if you want to wire it, has a pretty big built-in battery. So. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.